Guys, I am doing an unboxing of the iWatch Series 5 only because my husband wanted my dad to get it because it's just easier for him to use instead of having to fuss around with the phone. I like doing unboxings of iWatches because they're just like pornography. It's so cool to watch. Like, I don't know why Apple packaging is so good. And Mom's filming. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
So this is going to be unboxed before he gets to unbox it because he said we could do it and it's for his Christmas present. So the Apple iWatch Series 5 looks like that. He got this space gray aluminum case with the black sports band. So it has the Apple Watch here and on the back. And what's so cool is you never have to use any scissors to open this. So here we go. Okay. So look at that. And you just, Mom thinks I'm so weird. She's like, why do we have to film? And look, it's like taking off clothes.
Yeah, very weird.
Look at that. Okay, so I haven't had to use any scissors. And then, so again, Apple Watch. And look at this. This just opens up like this, and this opens up.
It's really a good design.
It is a good design. And then it has these cool things. I know this is not something I usually unbox, so there's a lot more techie, great people with nice hands and cameras that do this, but I just thought it would be fun because this is out of my comfort zone. But of course, look at the packaging. It's really, really cool. They have different watch bands for the watch. I wonder if these are all the ones that you can buy. I'm not sure.
Yeah, just continue.
And then this is, it comes in two pieces, the watch and then the band. And so originally it comes like that. It says, what kind of band it is. This is not the one with the cellular network, so it doesn't have the separate cellular network. So we'll go ahead and open this. So it just shakes down. Again, no scissors. I'm glad Dad was able to get this. My husband was very nice to gift that to him. This is, I'm not sure, oh, this is the instruction booklet that comes with it. And then this is how it comes. So this is the actual watch piece right there, and then the charger cord, and then the outlet. He got the black sports band. I'm not sure how to open this.
No scissors.
Oh, you don't have to use scissors, look. There's a little, when you want to take this off. Look at that.
Yeah.
So no scissors. I don't think. Oh, you just squeeze it and then that'll open. And then you open that. Okay, and then it says Apple Watch with the Apple, and then opens. And then opens. So it comes with two different, well, what is this? Oh, two different lengths of the watch strap.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll take the watch face off, or watch face out. It comes in a very protective velvet cover. We'll slip this carefully out of, ooh, look at that. Ooh, bless you.
Excuse me.
And then the back is really pretty, and no one's touched this since it left California. So I guess we'll take this piece. So I think we should take this piece out with the button thing, because the other two are two different sizes. Which size do you think Dad needs? Maybe this one?
His
His
size
wrist.
is the same as yours. Do you remember?
Let me see. Here, this is mine. Let's see. Oh, so I use the. Let's see. I think I use this one. Yeah, so this will be Dad's. Okay. Oh, I better read the instructions. To attach the band, slide into.
Slide it in.
So I'm glad I have one for an example.
Mhm.
So 9. So we'll put. So then what I do is I always do things better if I have an example. So this one with the button goes here. So then you slide it in till you feel it click. Okay, that clicked in. And then this one clicks in. Oh, that one is easier.
Mhm.
That's the watch. Let's see if it'll fit Dad. Oh yeah, this will fit Dad.
Sure.
That looks great.
Very good.
So that's the Apple Watch Series 5. And then we're gonna charge it. So what you need to do is take this out. Again, no scissors. This should be called Apple No Scissors. Apple Watch unboxing, no scissors. Mom, how long have you been married now to Dad?
51 years.
51 years.
Mhm.
It's pretty cool.
What's that to do with unboxing?
I think it's pretty cool. So this is the magnetic charger. And so this will attach magnetically right there. I just think that's the coolest part because you don't even, I wonder if it'll do, so it won't let you do the wrong side. There's only one side that clicks. And then you put that down and then attach the outlet. This should be called a wish to be nerd unboxing of the Apple iWatch. Okay, there we go. So we're good.
Nice.
And please subscribe. I love doing unboxings. This is just unusual for me, but I love the community we have. Please subscribe and I'll see you again in my next video.